What do you do when you accidentally add a student to the wrong family or accidentally make a brand new family for a sibling? It's easy to fix in TutorBird. First, navigate to Students from the main menu. Click on the student's name that you would like to move to a different family. Now select the Family Contacts tab. Click on the Change Family button. You can choose from an existing family or create a new family profile for the student. Once that's been done, click Save. When you change a student's family, all of their existing events move with the student, and any previous charges or fees will also be moved into that family account. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please send us an email at support@tutorbird.com.